What's up guys, my basement is completely gone. The drainage pipe that I have busted like 25 feet away underground, and there's no way to dig it out unless you get heavy machinery. Guess what? GNO waterproofing gonna come out and help me out. Way cheaper and better way to do it. Here's the owner.
Hey, how you doing? I'm Will Gilbert. I'm the owner of GNO Waterproofing and Home Solutions. Got a phone call to come out and do an estimate. I guess a couple companies had called but didn't really come through. Came out first thing that we want to do when we come to a job like this, diagnose the problem either from the outside or the inside. Like he said, he had an interior waterproofing problem. Water was coming in under the footer. Kind of how our company works, we do an interior waterproofing system. We pull out the concrete, come out about 12 inches away from your foundation, dig down to the footer. It's the most important thing. Get to the footer. We lay our pipe every 10 foot. We drop an inch, and we run it to a well and a sump pump, and we try to tie into one of the downspouts that are existing. Of course, we put a water hose up there and make sure that the discharge is proper. At that point, then everything is back to the way it was before, only without the water. Finished concrete, and hopefully it turns out well.
Yeah, guess what guys, I'm gonna film every step they're going to do. It's actually gonna be pretty fun, and this is my first video on a big project like that, so hopefully you guys enjoy it, and maybe I'll film something like that in the future when I'm gonna be building or fixing. So let me know in comments below what do you think. Also check out his website, I'll put links in description. So guys, I have a little bit of a basement problem right here. As you can see, this is supposed to drain away, but instead the water coming in because the pipe collapsed. It going down this way, so instead of its water taken out, it's bringing in the rainwater. And also I have couple the side problem right here, water coming from the side, so the guy's gonna come and help me fix this today. Also right here, the water damage coming out. You can see the water seeping through the wall from under there as well. So they're going to cut through the asphalt with this awesome tool. I mean asphalt, yeah, whatever, the concrete floor. And they're gonna put the drainage pipe under. I'll show you guys how they're gonna do it all around and out. So they use this tool to cut the concrete around the corner. Next they're going to sledgehammer asphalt away, and we'll see what they're gonna do next. So they cut concrete all the way next to the wall with this giant blade saw. It connects with the hose, I guess, to cool off the blade. That's pretty awesome. And now they're using jackhammer to remove everything around it. And next step, tomorrow I'll show you what they're going to do.
So the water that's backing up and coming in here, it's going to come out these holes. You see how it's all wet down here?
Oh,
These
wow.
blocks are holding water.
So and then it's gonna go into the pipe. So it's going to come into our system. Yes, sir. Nice. Next step, they put in a pipe. As you can see, the holes are also there. And let's walk around over here. All the way around by the wall. And lots of holes so the water would come out in case there is any. I don't have that much water coming out from there. but in this corner a lot, so that's perfect. It come out in here, and this side here a drainage pipe, the older one, but as you can see full of water because it got crushed somewhere and water actually coming up from outside over there. It's so weird. So they're gonna cut it off right here, block it off, seal it, so all this drainage pipe in the middle will connect into here. There'll be a big sump pump coming out from here. Pretty awesome. Next, I think they put in gravel in and stuff like that. That drainage pipe also clogged, but it's connected to the sink, and also this stuff flushes out into the drainage pipes. I might redirect the water to here, but you see this stuff is just full of water. I bet as soon as he cuts it, the water gonna go everywhere. So yeah, this is why I'm fixing this drainage pipe, but also it will fix all the moisture over here as well. You can just feel sometimes it gets moist in some corners. In case it gets worse, no problem. This stuff will take care of all the water, and I guarantee there will be no moisture like this one right here. So the water gonna run into here?
Yeah, so we're going to drill holes in there, and we'll have your pump in here. The water's going to come in, and we'll put gravel at the bottom.
Okay.
And then your pipe's going to come out. The discharge pipe's going to come out and come out up there.
Nice. This is the company doing it for me. Okay, connected pipe to here. And this is what they're going to do. They're going to cover it up with the rock. It's going to connect into here, and pipe and pump gonna go inside here, and then they'll put in one of these things in. That's what they're doing today. And this is the sump pump gonna go in that barrel.
The holes we drill behind this, the water comes out of your block into here, then it runs down through the gravel into our trench, which runs down into the well, and then we pump it out. Once we put our pump in, and then pump it out.
This is the hole he's talking about, and boom, they actually upgraded the pipe over here a little bit. So they have put the sump pump in there, right? And it's gonna go up in there and a downspout. They drill a hole in there, it's gonna go underground and out. Look at that cool tool. They drill it out. I wish I filmed that. That's the biggest drill I've ever seen. Okay, and this is where the water is gonna take out into the downspout. Awesome. Okay, and they put in the concrete back on top of it. And like he was talking about, in case there's any water, it still can go through in there. Very cool design. I didn't even know it's possible to fix something like that. Amazing. There you go, this is what it looks like. Just using one of these tools, simple. Obviously we'll need to do a little bit of more cleaning up over here, and probably we will seal the floor and paint it, so I'm not really worried about the way it looks right now, the different concrete obviously, but it's curing. I can see some wet parts in here, so I'm not gonna put anything on top of it. But look how amazing that thing right here. Let me turn the fan on. So again, I'm going to repaint, clean up the basement, the walls and the floor, and probably seal it. But yeah, check this out. In any case, I need to get it into here. All I have to do is somehow unspin it and open it. There you go, pump is over there. If I need to replace the pump, and also I don't have to worry about anybody falling into here and breaking their leg. So it's closes somehow. I haven't figured it out yet. There you go. And then you spin it this way to lock it, so that way kids cannot open it and stuff like that. Perfect. And it's heavy duty, you're not gonna fall in, but I still might put the table down here back up. Anyways, very nice, super happy with this. Also, let's open this up. Obviously I'll put some grates in here so nothing goes inside in here and don't clog in the pump. But look at that. Again, I probably will paint over here, cure everything. Looks good. So happy with that job. Well guys, I gotta mention, I did not know what to expect from that video, but that was a lot of fun. It was my first time filming somebody doing all the work step by step. I know I could have done much better job filming them cutting it and all these tools, but that was my first time, and I think it was an amazing video. In my opinion, I had no idea it was possible to fix the basement like that from a leaking walls. Obviously I'm gonna paint a little bit and finish it up, but even with that job I will not have any more black mold. I used to come here and I couldn't breathe. I would start coughing. How much black mold there would be here and water. So I'm really happy with that. I had to throw away so much junk from here because it got black mold. So if you guys enjoy this kind of fixer-uppers type of deal, that I actually hired the crew and film them how to do it, let me know in comments below, because I had ton of fun. And if you enjoy this kind of videos, maybe it will help somebody, those homeowners. So let me know in comments below if you want to see other fixer-uppers around my house. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.